Do you know the complete history of the carnation flower? A question that might seem simple, but the answer is as diverse and complex as the flower itself. Carnations, or Dianthus caryophyllus, as they are scientifically known, are not just your average garden bloom. They are a symphony of color, history, and symbolism that spans across centuries and cultures. These captivating flowers, with their ruffled petals and delicate fragrance, are a marvel of Mother Nature. Their existence traces back to ancient Greek and Roman times, where they were revered as divine flowers. Fast forward to today, and they have charmed their way into our gardens, our celebrations, and our hearts. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore the countless varieties and colors of carnations, their profound symbolism, and the art of growing these beautiful blooms. From their presence in art and literature to their role in traditional medicine, we'll uncover it all. So stay tuned as we dive deep into the fascinating world of carnations. Carnations come in a rainbow of colors, each with its own unique charm. This vibrant flower blooms in an array of hues, painting gardens with splashes of color and inviting a sense of wonder. Let's delve into the world of these captivating blossoms. First off, we have the standard carnations. These are the large, single-bloom variety, often found in a rich red, delicate pink, or pristine white. Their ruffled petals and sweet fragrance make them a favorite in floral arrangements. Next in line are the spray carnations. These are smaller and come with multiple flowers per stem. They offer a more voluminous look and come in a wider range of colors, including vibrant yellows, deep purples, and even a multicolored variety, the harlequin, with its petals of contrasting colors. Then we have the miniature or dwarf carnations. These compact beauties are perfect for those with smaller spaces or for adding a subtle touch of color. They're available in shades of pink, red, and white, offering a delicate beauty that can be quite captivating. Each variety of carnation has its own unique growing preference. Standard carnations, for instance, thrive best in full sun and well-drained soil. Spray carnations prefer cooler climates and can tolerate light shade. Dwarf carnations, on the other hand, are hardy plants that can withstand a range of conditions, making them ideal for beginner gardeners. And let's not forget about the fascinating patterns that some carnations display. From the two-tone picot with its contrasting petal edges to the variegated, sporting stripes or splashes of color, there's a pattern for every taste. Carnations also have a unique ability to absorb water-based dyes, allowing for the creation of carnations in virtually any color imaginable. This process can result in stunning, vibrant hues that look almost too good to be true. Indeed, the beauty of carnations is as diverse as nature itself. Whether you're a gardener looking to add a pop of color to your plot, or simply an admirer of flowers, there's a carnation out there that's sure to capture your heart. Carnations speak a language of love, admiration, gratitude, and remembrance. This symbolism has roots in many cultures and traditions around the globe. In the Victorian era, for instance, different colors of carnations held different meanings. A red carnation was a symbol of deep love and admiration, while a pink one represented a mother's undying love. This is why, even today, pink carnations are a popular choice for Mother's Day. Across the Mediterranean and in parts of Eastern Europe, the carnation is a symbol of remembrance and is often used in funerals and memorial services. Meanwhile, in Korea, carnations are used to foretell a woman's future. It's said that if a woman puts 3 carnations in her hair, each one will predict her path, one for her present, one for her near future, and one for her distant future. So the next time you gift a carnation, remember the rich symbolism it carries. Carnations aren't just beautiful, they're a joy to grow. Now let's delve into the world of carnation gardening, a delightful journey that begins with a seed and blossoms into a vibrant, fragrant bloom. Carnations, with their ruffled petals and sweet fragrance, are a gardener's delight. But to enjoy their full beauty, they need just the right conditions. The first step is picking the perfect spot. Carnations crave sunlight, so choose a site that gets at least 6 hours of full sun each day. Next comes the soil. Carnations prefer well-draining soil with a neutral to slightly alkaline pH. It's a good idea to amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure to provide the nutrients carnations need to thrive. When it comes to watering, consistency is key. Carnations don't like to be too dry or too wet, Water deeply, but make sure to let the soil dry out between waterings. Be vigilant about overwatering, as this can lead to root rot and other diseases. Feeding your carnations is also important. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in the early spring and again in midsummer will keep them blooming happily. Planting techniques matter too. Space your carnations about 12 inches apart to allow for good air circulation. This will help prevent fungal diseases and ensure each plant has room to grow. Pruning is the secret to lush, full carnations. Regularly deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers. In the early spring, cut back the plants to about 6 inches to promote bushier growth. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests. Aphids, slugs, and whiteflies are all fond of carnations, but with regular inspections and early intervention, you can keep these critters at bay. Growing carnations may seem like a delicate dance, but with these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to a garden full of colorful, fragrant blooms. Remember, gardening is all about patience and attentiveness. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy vibrant carnations right in your backyard. Carnations are celebrated worldwide for their beauty and diversity. This vibrant flower doesn't just grace our gardens and floral arrangements, it also takes center stage in festivals, shows, and events throughout the globe. In the Netherlands, the Corso Zundert parade sees magnificent floats adorned with carnations, transforming the streets into a riot of color and fragrance. Over in Japan, the Dianthus Festival honors the humble carnation with breathtaking displays and horticultural competitions. Stateside, carnations are the star of the show at numerous local flower festivals, where gardeners and flower enthusiasts gather to admire the latest cultivars and exchange tips on growing these delightful blooms. From the sprawling flower fields of Spain to the bustling flower markets of Istanbul, carnations continue to captivate and inspire. These festivals and events are a testament to the carnation's enduring popularity, a celebration of its diversity, and a tribute to its timeless elegance. These events showcase the carnation's universal appeal and enduring charm. Carnations have long been a source of inspiration in art and literature. These beautiful blooms have graced the canvases of renowned artists and danced through the lines of countless poets. Their vibrant hues and intricate patterns have made them a favorite subject in the world of visual arts. Take, for instance, Caravaggio's Boy with a Basket of Fruit, where the humble carnation takes center stage, its delicate beauty contrasting with the youthful exuberance of the boy. Or consider the countless still-life paintings from the Dutch Golden Age, where carnations often played a starring role, their vibrant colors and intricate forms capturing the essence of life's fleeting beauty. But carnations aren't just confined to the canvas. They've also found their way into the pages of literature, their symbolism weaving itself into the fabric of many a tale. From the ancient Greeks and Romans, who wove carnations into their mythology, to the Victorian era, where carnations were often used in the language of flowers to express deep emotions, these blooms have played a significant part in cultural expressions throughout history. In poetry, carnations have been used as metaphors for love, beauty, and the ephemeral nature of life. They've been the muse for many a poet, their vibrant colors and fragrant aroma serving as a source of inspiration. And so, from canvas to page, carnations continue to inspire, their beauty transcending beyond the physical world and into the realm of art and literature. As we've seen, the carnation's influence extends far beyond the garden. Carnations, with their timeless beauty and significance, continue to enchant us. Their enduring appeal crosses the boundaries of time and geography, and their versatility allows them to play a starring role in countless traditions and customs. In many cultures, the art of preserving carnations is a cherished practice. Techniques can range from the simple, like air drying, to the innovative, such as wax preservation. These methods not only extend the longevity of carnations, but also serve as a testament to their lasting beauty. Carnations also hold a special place in various cultural traditions. They are often used in festivals, rituals, and ceremonies, carrying messages of love, respect, and celebration. From the vibrant Dianthus Festival in Japan, where they are celebrated in all their diversity, to the intimate ceremonies where they symbolize eternal love, carnations are more than just flowers. They are a medium of expression, a symbol of sentiment, and a bridge between cultures. In the world of floristry, carnations are a favorite for their longevity and versatility. Their wide array of colors and patterns enable creative arrangements, making them a popular choice for bouquets and centerpieces. Techniques such as dyeing further enhance their beauty, allowing florists to create designs that are truly unique. As we wrap up our journey through the history of carnations, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these remarkable flowers. Their enduring beauty and the joy they bring into our lives make them a truly timeless treasure.